blazing speed and remarkable efficiency, ensuring that everything from multitasking to gaming runs seamlessly. Alongside this impressive chipset, the display technology is set to captivate users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a dynamic, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide AMOLED 2X screen, offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range 10+ compatibility, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. These features combine to create an incredibly vivid and immersive visual experience, perfect for streaming or gaming. Storage and memory options on the Galaxy S25 Ultra cater to every user's needs. The base model offers a solid 12 GB of random access memory and 256 GB of internal storage, while the premium version ramps this up to 16 GB of RAM and a hopping 1 TB of storage. This ensures plenty of space for all your apps, media, and files. The design is sleek and refined with dimensions of 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and a weight of 219 grams, making it lighter and more compact than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Charging is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra excels. The device is expected to support 45 watts of wired charging and 25 watts of wireless charging through both Hi2 and Power Matters Alliance standards. This means quicker charging times and the convenience of keeping your device powered up with minimal downtime. For photography lovers, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be a game changer. The main camera boasts an impressive 200-megapixel sensor with an aperture of f/1.7, promising breathtakingly detailed photos. Additionally, there's a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5 times optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an aperture of f/2.0. On the front, a 12-megapixel camera with an aperture of f/2.2 ensures stunning selfies. These features collectively make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a versatile photography tool, ready to capture any moment with clarity and precision. Battery life is robust, with a 5,000 mAh battery providing ample power for extended use. The device also supports 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other compatible devices on the go. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Armor glass for enhanced durability. The device is expected to have an ingress protection rating of IP68, meaning it will offer strong resistance to water and dust, perfect for those who need a phone that can withstand various environments. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch with Android 15 paired with Samsung's One UI 7. This combination promises a smooth, user-friendly experience with a host of new features and improvements. Samsung's advancements in artificial intelligence are expected to enhance various aspects of the phone, from photography to daily usability, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra not just powerful, but smart. As the countdown to its official release continues, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a trailblazer in the smartphone world. With its cutting-edge specs and features, the real test will be how well these translate into everyday use. Could this be the device that sets new benchmarks for what a smartphone can achieve? Only time will tell. Thank you for joining this exploration of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you found this look into the future exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech news. See you in the next video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost here, and excitement is reaching a fever pitch. The leaks are coming fast and furious, and from what we've seen so far, this phone is set to redefine what we expect from a flagship device. Today, we've got fresh details that might just blow your mind. A couple of renowned leakers, Ice Universe and EvLeaks, have shared a new image of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and let me tell you, it's not what you're expecting. This isn't just another minor update. It's a major design shift that could change everything. For years, Samsung's Ultra phones have been synonymous with sharp, angular edges. These bold lines were part of the brand's signature, making the phone stand out as a premium, high-performance device. However, feedback has suggested that the design, while visually striking, wasn't always the most comfortable to hold. The sharp corners could dig into your hands after prolonged use, and Samsung seems to have taken this feedback seriously. The leaked image reveals a radical departure from the past. Samsung is moving away from those harsh edges in favor of a more ergonomic, rounded design. The result? A phone that's still unmistakably a Samsung Galaxy device, but with a more comfortable and refined feel in hand. Don't worry, though, this isn't a complete departure from what we know and love about the Galaxy series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra still retains its bold, modern aesthetic, but now it's all about comfort without sacrificing a premium feel. You get that solid, high-end build quality, but it feels better when you're holding it. Samsung has struck the perfect balance between aesthetics and usability, and it's clear that the design overhaul is more than just a cosmetic change. But the design improvements don't stop at the edges. The new image also shows us the bezels of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and they're thinner than ever before. If you thought previous Ultra devices already had impressively narrow bezels, get ready for a serious upgrade. It looks like Samsung is setting the bar even higher this time around, with some reports suggesting that the S25 Ultra could be leading the competition when it comes to bezel size. In fact, it's even rumored that Samsung might have beaten Apple's iPhone 16 in this area. If the leaked images are anything to go by, it's clear that Samsung is pulling out all the stops to create a device that's as sleek and stunning as it is powerful. Speaking of power, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse under the hood. The device is rumored to be running on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, which promises to deliver lightning-fast speeds and exceptional performance. But that's not all. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with up to a massive 16 gigabytes of random access memory, or RAM, which is a huge leap from what we've seen in previous models. This added memory could be a game-changer, particularly for those who use their phones for multitasking, gaming, or running resource-intensive applications. With this kind of boost, we're looking at a device that can handle just about anything you throw at it with ease. One of the key improvements likely driving this jump in performance is the revamped Bixby Artificial Intelligence Assistant, which will reportedly take full advantage of the increased RAM to offer smarter, more seamless features. Bixby will be more capable than ever before, and it looks like Samsung is pushing the boundaries of what we can expect from a smartphone AI. Whether it's helping with tasks, managing apps, or responding to voice commands, the new Bixby will be faster, smarter, and more intuitive. So, what does all this mean for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Well, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2025. From its sleek new design to its cutting-edge hardware, Samsung is clearly aiming to deliver a device that sets new standards in the industry. With thinner bezels, a more comfortable design, and massive performance upgrades, this phone is poised to be a true standout in the smartphone world. And even though it's launching early in the year, it's already generating a ton of buzz, and for good reason. As we eagerly await the official release, one thing is clear. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just another flagship phone. It's a leap forward in smartphone design and performance, and Samsung is showing that it's ready to take the competition head-on. Whether you're a longtime Samsung fan or someone who's looking for the next big thing in the smartphone world, the S25 Ultra is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates. We'll see you in the next video. Samsung is gearing up to show Apple just how powerful AI can be in the world of smartphones. And it seems like 2025 could be the year the tech giant makes his big move. Ice Universe, a well-known leaker in the tech community, recently teased that the Samsung Galaxy S25 will not only challenge Apple, but will redefine what we know as leading AI in mobile devices. He even expressed surprise at the lack of leaks surrounding the new AI features for the Galaxy S25, hinting that Samsung has something big in store. For Samsung, 2025 marks a year of ambitious goals, and one of those goals is to claim the title of the AI leader in mobile phones. With the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, the company is poised to make a bold statement about its capabilities in AI, especially with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite application processor powering every model. Whether you're getting the standard S25, the Plus, or the Ultra, this chipset could take Galaxy AI to new heights, ensuring that all AI functions are handled directly on the device for enhanced privacy and performance. If you think back to 2024, Samsung introduced a variety of AI features like Live Translate, Magic Compose, and photo editing tools, which were game changers at the time. Now, with 2025 on the horizon, the tech giant has the potential to push the envelope even further. Not only will we see the return of these features, but according to Ice Universe, Samsung has been working on new AI innovations that stand apart from anything Google has rolled out. Samsung's plans for AI don't just sound like tweaks, they sound like groundbreaking additions that will set the bar even higher in the smartphone world. A major perk for Galaxy S25 buyers is rumored to be a free trial of Gemini Advance, which will likely offer even more cutting-edge AI functionalities. Samsung is clearly planning to make a statement at its Unpacked event on January 22nd, and with Ice Universe's high expectations, it's clear that the AI revolution Samsung is about to unveil will go head-to-head with Apple's existing efforts. Speaking of Apple, while the iPhone has its own AI-driven features, such as Apple Intelligence in iOS 18.1 and 18.2, and more updates expected in iOS 18.4, the reality is that Apple's AI efforts have felt somewhat lackluster. Compared to the innovations we've seen from Samsung and Google, Apple's approach to AI feels underwhelming at best. It's not that Apple isn't trying, it's just that it's playing catch-up rather than setting trends. This is where Samsung has the opportunity to shine. With Ice Universe's surprising comment about the lack of leaks, it seems Samsung has been quietly working on something that could truly stun us. Whether or not these features leak ahead of the Unpacked event or are unveiled as a surprise, one thing is clear. Samsung is making sure that the Galaxy S25 will set the standard for AI on smartphones. The tech world is waiting with bated breath for what's to come. Samsung's resolve to lead in AI and the promise of new powerful features in the Galaxy S25 will certainly make 2025 an exciting year for smartphone enthusiasts. If Ice Universe's predictions are anything to go by, Samsung is about to change the AI landscape forever. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates and stay tuned for what's sure to be an exciting year in tech. See you in the next video.